This is Flip TV. Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara has defended his administration's handling of public funds, stating that he met over 600 billion naira in the state's account after emergency rule ended. The governor disclosed this on Wednesday while commissioning the 14.2-kilometer Obodhi-Ozochi Road linking Hauda East and Hauda West local government areas. Governor Fubara said records shows that his administration left over 300 billion naira in state coffers when emergency rule was declared, stressing that financial transparency remains a priority of his government. His comments come amid criticism from the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Martin Amwewule, who questioned the use of funds handed over after emergency rule and raised concerns about the poor condition of some public schools in Port Harcourt. Responding indirectly, Governor Fubara assured residents that the expenditure records are opened, verifiable, and tied to ongoing projects across the state. He said his administration prefers completing projects before commissioning them, rather than engaging in repeated flag-off ceremonies. The governor also revealed that the Obodhi Ozochi Road was initiated by the previous administration and expanded under his leadership. Governor Fubara further approved requests for additional internal roads in the community and urged political leaders to mobilize support for President Bola Tinubu ahead of 2027 general elections.